Hey, we are crawling on all fours, and today I'm going to talk about how I repaired some damaged paint on this RC crawler body. This is a 1/10 scale Toyota 4Runner made by Proline Racing. It's made of Lexan, which is a polycarbonate plastic made for RC vehicles to be durable and lightweight, and they're commonly found in RC crawlers. Thank you so much to my subscribers, and thank you to all of the new viewers that are watching these videos. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos, share with a friend, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Stick with us, and let's start the repairs. We're going to work on this body. You can see that blemish. It's kind of annoying because you can see it starting to turn color. It's not on the outside, it's actually on the inside due to the paint. Kind of dry out and flake off, really. That's a much better shot for you. The only thing I could think of is the paint just did not set. Maybe it did not dry quick enough, but whatever it is, it's flaking off. This is just a Bondo blade, applicator blade. That's actually working pretty good. You are experimenting along with me at the same time. I mean, I don't want to take all this paint off, but it's gonna flake off eventually. See that spot right there? Yeah, this is not gonna suffice here. Gonna fill it in best we can. Don't know exactly how I'm gonna do that, other than just spray more paint. Oh boy, oh my gosh. That makes me so nervous because I don't want this paint. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Oh no. This is killing me. Killing me because I love this paint job so much. Gonna flirt with this a little bit here. So I'm gonna take this off as much as I can to a point where the scraping is going to be, yeah, okay, there we go. So you want to hear that. You want to hear that loud scrape because that's basically where the paint has adhered to the body. That's good. That's good. I am a little concerned with the edges. I don't want the edges to be lifted because if they're lifted, then I'm probably going to have the same problem once the paint goes over that on the back side. Then it's going to create an air pocket basically right here. I mean, the best way to do that, if this were a normal outside, outside of the body application, then you would just sand it. I really don't want to sand the inside of this. Anyway, so this is kind of phase one of this repair on the paint. Well, that's after one coat, and that looks great. Filled in really nicely. I'm going to do another coat, and then I'll back it in silver. I've done 2 coats already on this, so I'm going to fill this in with a 3rd coat. See how that looks. And there it is. Really, really clean. Virtually no lines. I had filled in just a couple spots here where the tires kind of rub up against the fender and rub the paint a little raw. All right, so here's the PS12 silver paint. This is also for polycarbonate. I already did the white and filled in really, really nicely. I went back over with the PS12 silver just to seal that up. I can't really see any lines there, so I'm super happy with that. This is a rock crawler and it's meant to get scuffed and scraped, but it's such a good looking truck. I absolutely love it that I kind of want to make it a shelf queen. So I will take it out still and run it, but I'm going to work on some of these scratches and scuffs, and it's actually pretty easy. This is going to be a simple repair. I've already started using some sandpaper, sanding out, doing some wet sanding on the front here because I did have a pretty big scrape. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that completely. We'll see. And then I've got, a couple little scrapes from the pins, some stuff here around the edges of the trim and the A-pillars there. And then I've got some of the body armor I'm going to just respray this. Basically just I'm gonna sand some of this stuff down, smooth it out, and then respray it with the matte clear. Clear will fill in some of the small scratches. Again, I've already started doing some wet sanding on some of the more prominent scratches, so that will be dressed up, looking good. Okay, we're going to use some alcohol here, and we want to get this free of any contaminants, any sort of oils that I may have left on from my fingers. Just want to get this body nice and clean. All right, we're good to go. Just fixing up the bumper here. I don't think I need to do the rear bumper. Maybe just a light coat, just right over there. So this is the Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover Matte Clear. And this goes on nice and thick. Yeah, so that's looking really good. It's got a nice, rich sheen to it, and it really brightened up the blue color. Gave a nice bright color to all the decals. Some of those decals are scratched, and that's all right. Back looks great, nice and fresh. So I've already done this first side here with the panel line tape. Cleans that up, gives it a nice even line, and has the texture to look like it's a rubber trim. So as this is going down and adhering to the body, I'm pulling this tight and then just kind of gently running my finger over it. And then I'm going to take a razor blade, I'm going to press down and then pull, and then that gives it a clean line. So I will continue now, I'm going to overlap just like that till I get to the end. There we go. Super clean lines. Now here's where the curve is going to take shape, and with my finger guiding the tape along that curve, just keeping it loose, and I'm just giving it a little direction. Nicely done. All right, this is looking good. Give it a little bit of a vision and you can make it look great. Well, that's the repair. I do hope you got something out of this video. I had a great time doing all the work to fix this, and I think it really paid off. I think the time and the patience and just the proper steps with prepping the paint, spraying it, and then sealing it made a big difference. I also love the matte clear finish on the exterior, also making the colors pop on the decals and the stickers. I think it really gives it a nice character without making it look too shiny like a toy. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment below if you've done repairs like this before. I'd love to hear about how you repaired your paint. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep crawling.